Hey guys, it's your girl Shanice and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. You got that right. So I'm here to spread some holiday cheer today in my little antlers. Call me reindeer shants today. I don't know if you guys can hear the bells, but isn't this so cute? So guys, we're off to a pretty late start this morning because your girl was beat from all of yesterday's cleaning, putting up the Christmas tree, like all of that. Our girl was so tired. Plus we filmed with the boys, so that's like extra work for one person. After we finished filming, I had to go and edit the video for it to be sent off for approval. What's wrong with these flies, man? So yeah, after all of that, a girl was beat. Listen, I'm out of breath. I don't know who I thought I was jumping up like that at 31 years old. Either way, let me give you guys the to-do list for today. So first thing on my list is to so today we want to go ahead and decorate the Christmas tree, of course. As you can see, the lights are already up. It's giving festive vibes, but it needs a little razzle dazzle. The boys were pissing me to do it last night. They legit wanted to do it without me. How rude. But I promised them that today when they got in from school, we'd get it done. So that's on the agenda. Also, I'm trying to film a Vlogmas intro for you guys, so you can either get it at the end of this vlog or tomorrow. Hopefully you can get to the end of this vlog. But yeah, I want to film a Vlogmas intro. I have this cute little concept for the boys and and I just hope we can execute it properly. I'll have to edit it and give it that Christmas feel, but I'm confident that if we get it done today, then we can definitely have the intro out, so you guys will see the intro in all of the vlogs to come. So that's great. Also, for the Vlogmas intro though, I am basically going to be doing some baking, so I need an apron. Now tell me why, guys. I ordered an apron from Shein and the apron not reach. No, this is why I will always choose Amazon over Shein any day. Like, I feel like Shein has Amazon potential to have next day shipping or express shipping, where you get your things like legit in a day or two. I mean, I've seen the express option, but I've used it once before and I did not get my package in a couple days. I think it was like a week. So never again. But as I'm saying, my package is still not delivered. So I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and make an apron, which is probably not that hard to do. I should have some fabric in my sewing room, so I want to do that. Also, I want to go ahead and pre-string the balls. So last time I bought the balls and they did not come pre-strung. I know you have balls that come pre-strung, but I've never seen them. And I tasked myself last year to get those balls, but when I was doing my Christmas shopping, I didn't even realize that these regular balls must take up, so now I have to string up 100 balls. Oh my god, it's now 12 o'clock. As I said, we're off to a pretty late start, but wish me luck with all of this that I have to do. So I have 2 hours to get all of that done before I go and pick up the boys and we start the bugger, because I bear chaos with them, as you can tell by now. So yeah guys, that's the plan for today. I hope you guys have been enjoying this series thus far. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Vlogmas series. Let me know what your favorite parts are. Just interact in the comments, because I'm always going to find the time to respond to you guys and just be more interactive. And I'm just here to share a festive holiday season with my family, and I hope that we can bring you some joy and some cheer this year. But yeah, it's been fun so far. I absolutely love it. It's my first year doing Vlogmas, and to be honest, I wish I did this ages ago. It's just so much fun and I'm really feeling the Christmas spirit. So I just want to share that with you guys, and hopefully you're enjoying the vlog. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and most of all, subscribe for more Vlogmas festivities. So you guys, come on and let's get shit done. Let's go. Okay guys, so I found this beige kind of linen fabric in my stash, and I thought it was just perfect for a apron of some sorts. I mean, I would have preferred red or something more festive, but this is all I have right now, so I'm gonna work with this. So yeah, let's do a little sewing for the day and whip up this apron in about 20 minutes. So I'm giving myself 20 minutes on the clock to get this done. Guys, so the apron is all done, and I'm gonna do a little try on to see how it fits. I mean, it's okay. It's a little blah, but I mean, it's just an apron. Oh, I didn't. I forgot to put the pocket, so I'm gonna put a little pocket right here. Wonder if I can add something red. I'm gonna check if I have anything red can add, like a little bow or something cute. It's okay, it's okay. It's just an apron. So I'm just gonna add the pocket and something red. So yeah, guys, apron check, and we're good to go. Listen, Vlogmas is not for the weak. Okay? So I just every minute so I feel like, and let me know if you guys can relate to this, them trucks, them bikes, them bagga, how is it that them always want pass once you try, you know? So okay, let me do some filming. 10 truck just pass. It's like them wait for you start film and then them drive past. Hate it. So yeah, guys, either way, don't make that little apron there. And then I'm gonna, oh yeah, I forgot to string the balls, so got everything here, so I'm gonna string all of these balls to go on the tree. I don't know why I never buy pre-string balls. Jolly want to help me string these balls. Well, later on, we'll film a little Christmas Vlogmas, because you know I'm doing Vlogmas, right? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to my channel for Vlogmas. So more and do a little intro videos for the boy later when them come from school.
Oh, so it's have to do before them come?
No, I'm just gonna string the ball them before them come, so them can help me decorate the chair and stuff, because I want that to be in the video too. So Joel said she's gonna help me out. So let's see how this goes. I'll finish each and then we can start string. Not a ball in my bag. These are making so much ball needed for the tree. I think I might have went overboard. I only half of the tree meat on for decorate. I know what it me. Skies are getting to me. Oh my god. Skies everywhere are just here. I'm confused. Yeah, we're gonna leave a good enough space so we can hang it. So what I usually do is like make a little knot. I just go like this. Give yourself enough room. And then pull it. And there we have it. Am I in frame? Are you seeing me, Joel? Tell me if you see me. You see my antler ears?
No.
Right, it's the antler ears. I'm gonna show you. Alright, let's get stringing. La 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 la. What is Jeff from? Murder for some. Not sticking.
It's straight?
It's like an adhesive. Hopefully not drop down. La 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 la. Hopefully it no drop down. La 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 la. That actually came in very handy. Let me use hook up them one and the mantle. And the one keep calling it a mantle. We don't have a mantle.
Or it is a mountain.
It's like a thing where a fireplace is. Something above the fireplace. Console. We should have a fireplace. What do you think?
It's in Jamaica.
This is
More
Jamaica.
heat forward.
Listen,
We
you
don't
feel the
get
coldness
that
last night, Joel? You sleep with fan last night?
Yeah, but
We have to lock on the fan last night because the place was so cold. To show you, we need a fireplace, man. so Santa can come down the
2
chimney.
days of cold front.
Yes, we need a fireplace. I never put in the greens. I may just use the red and the green, or just the red only, I don't know.
Why not doing the gold?
You know, it's too much. I have some ribbons I want to use to make bows, but the ribbon is more on the side of the brown, like the brown basket where you see over there, the beige looking things. I might sneak in the gold here and there. That's the way you can. Oh, that.
The top.
Bird. Which one it come off? This one. You can't glue on something properly. You should be sipping some eggnog. Joe, where's the eggnog? Something Christmassy, some hot chocolate, something.
Place too hot.
Stay there, you won't be saying that when the real Christmas breeze start blowing on the real cold front. Stay there. Think I
This
should.
don't even feel like a cold front, really. It's just a little bit chilly.
I guess, but soon it's gonna get colder in January, like closer to January. Damn time they are gonna feel the real Christmas breeze. Alright, we're making progress on the balls, guys. We're making progress. Most of the shots that I'm gonna take, I can do it on the tripod, but some of them I need to like follow. Like somebody literally follow. I cannot give Jamie or Jamie the camera to follow me. Are you mad?
It just looks shaky.
Very shaky. When you look them all at the front camera and for themselves, and me there, I say, yeah man, video film. That's Javi core right there. Yesterday I give Javi the phone. I asked Javi to take some BTS. You know what Javi do? Front camera.
Make silly face.
Make and I stick out him tongue like Javi look. I run down to the room. I want to see my run up and down on the head. I'm like, bro, give me my phone, my hot dog. I look out just to say cold front. I'm there, but can y'all see me? So I am late to picking up the boys. As usual, one thing with me, you know, nobody can study me. I don't leave out the same time every day because nobody knows to study this girl and know, so she leave out X time. And come, you know, you wait me for no corner. No, not this girl. So today I'm actually running a bit late. You hear hot now. We can't even turn on the AC because it's gonna be so noisy. So yeah guys, I prepped all of the decorations and stuff that I want to put on the tree. So Joel had helped me, as you guys saw, to string up all the balls, have all the ornaments. So yeah, that will be an easy one to where we get in. Also baking some cookies today, so I need to buy some ingredients to sort out the cookie, because I thought that these things were like pre-made. All I had to do was like mix it and put it in the oven. No. You need to add other ingredients like eggs and them something. And I like complete pancake and them thing, you just mix the water. Wow, I'm not used to this life. This baking life for me, I tell you some I want be a part of and be that baking mom. Like there's this mom on TikTok that does there's this mom on TikTok, like she's the OD Christmas mom in my opinion. Like she has tons and tons of storage bins with ornaments, Christmas decorations, and she has this big ass house that she decorates like every year. And I'm like, I sent the video the other day to my man, and I was like, that's the type of mom I want to be. And y'all just cramping my style, because why aren't you all as festive? Come on. So I'm really trying to get them in the Christmas spirit. And you know, I think the decorations are just the beginning. I think they're just the beginning. Thank you, sir. So yeah, I want to be that mom. Like, I'm gonna insert a video so you guys can see who I'm talking about. Like, she never fails with her Christmas decor, and she's so artistic, and she does like these drawings and stuff. Love it. Now let me bun up. So no doing that little. So yeah. Ornaments, decorations, check. Cookie ingredients, almost check. Joel said she's gonna help me film the YouTube intro, guys, because honest to God, I don't know if the tripod angles are enough. So I literally want somebody to like be there and help me out. Jason was supposed to work from home today, but he went in, so that's a bus. And I don't want to put it off any longer, guys. I feel like we're 3 days into Vlogmas. I know Vlogmas intro, that's not nice. That's not nice at all. So I need to get the intro so you guys can see it today, of course. And as usual, guys, if you've made it thus far into the video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to leave a comment. Like, just comment anything you want. Comment some Christmas tree, comment some snowflakes, anything festive. Just comment and interact with me, because you guys know how the algorithms work. The more interactions you get, the more they push out your videos to like-minded individuals like you who are interested in my videos as well. So, you know, I'd really appreciate it if you guys like just interact with the video. If you don't want to comment, that's fine. You can leave a like. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well if you like it over here. Thank you in advance. So yeah, guys, I'll catch up with you a little later on. So yeah. Later.
I don't want them to open.
The door is open. Hey, what did I say? Ladies before?
Gentlemen.
Hey, gentlemen.
Gentlemen.
Yes, ladies before gentlemen. Alright, get your stuff.
I'm gonna teach you. I like Couture Shana.
So we have lights over here.
Yeah, and that was not.
Lights over here.
Okay, TV man.
And lights over here.
Why TV man? What I? Okay. Yeah. What is this for? What's that for? Is it for decorating? For decorating? Why? Decorating the food. Oh wow! What is that? Can I eat it? No, it's poisonous. And not a real food. It's poisonous?
Maybe.
Well, maybe we got to give one catchy because it's able to human.
Okay.
Well, Mama, I'm never doing that ever again.
Never.
Well, I was making the thing for a walk. Never suck the tongue. Chef.
I'm the chef? You think so?
Yeah, you have that on and we don't.
It's an apron.
Okay, that was that close. Yeah, and that was my teacher you when they bring our food to us. And so we need egg and brick. Egg and butter and then
Says egg and
egg and brick.
butter.
Oh yeah, they got it correct. Good. The final thing to make these cookies is the egg. No.
What drop it in there as well? Dammer is sneaking out the chocolate chips out the chocolate chip cookie mix. We have our batter of eggs and butter. And now we're gonna go ahead and actually make the cookie dough. Alright?
Okay.
What are you saying, Javi?
Yeah, we don't even.
I was saying that Santa's not real. It's just that mother and father just dress up as Santa so the kids can think that Santa is real.
Excuse me, that is not even true because
Of course it is.
nobody even said was Santa, bro.
So, Jamie, you think Santa is real?
Yes.
Javi, you don't? Okay, well, let's see who's right.
We are finished making that thing, turkey, and now we're gonna go in the bush and run behind the bye.
And we're going to decorate the tree.
Decorating the Christmas tree. Say hey, Javi. Jamir is being a sore sport right now. I don't know why. But yeah, we have all the ornaments here. Javi's helping me to decorate the tree. Jamir, do you want to help or not? I'll take that as a no. Come on, man. Come, stop being miserable. Okay now? I'll give you $3,000. Come.
$700.
Only 500 you want?
No, 700.
700? Alright, him say more 700 and I'm going to decorate the tree. Come. Come. So you gotta pick one with a big hole so you can put it in. Yes, that one is big. Because he's having trouble putting it on. Alright, put it, I want you to put it up top. Put that one up top, baby.
Where?
Yeah, right there, good.
Whoa, do not
Wow! Do a taste test. Show me how it tastes. Tastes good? You're torn, yes or no?
Is that good and bad?
So it tastes good and bad? You like the chocolate chips in it? No? So you think the chocolate chips made it taste bad? Oh man.
No, them parts did taste good.
Alright, so do you know it's a taste test? Have you tasted it yet? This is it. Tastes good. Can go on. Taste it. Tastes good, man. What am I saying? It tastes good. Taste, man. I think it tastes pretty good. What do you think? The cookie tastes good. It's just that it's not as hard. It's just not as hard as he's used to. But I think it tastes pretty good. Playing Roblox. So which character is this? Which character is this son? Which one are you? That's you?
Yes.
So what are you doing?
Escaping.
Oh, so you're running from somebody?
Yes.
Amir, why are you using your hand to eat the noodles? Oh my god. Can you use a fork? Jamir, can you use a fork, please? What?
It's a bubble because I eat some bubbles.
I don't want that bubble, bro. Blow it. Go get it and blow it. Where's the bottle? Bring it, come over here and do it.
See, Jamir? I know.
Hey guys, so it's way later. Where you gone? It's way later. We're blowing bubbles. The boys are blowing bubbles.
Yep.
What do you want to do after this? What's the plan?
Ow.
Talk to me. What's the plan? Jamir! Too many bubbles! Don't blow it in his face. He's playing the game. This is the culprit. Give me a blow. Let me blow it. Oh my goodness. That is so dramatic. Why are you so dramatic?
Have you died 2 times and you got to die?
No, Jamir,
3 more times.
if I die 5 times, that means I'm still a pro, right?
Alright, Jamir, go do the
Right, mommy? I'm still
Yeah, you're still a pro. You guys want to watch a movie? Should we have like a little movie day? Jamir, stop with the bubble! They're going in my eyes. Guys, do you know what my favorite Christmas song is?
Grinch.
Nah, it's Home Alone. You guys wanna watch Home Alone with mommy?
Yes.
Javi wanna watch Home Alone? Javi, I play Roblox from morning.
Mom, I didn't even know that movie was real.
Home Alone, you didn't know it was real? Did you hear somebody speak about Home Alone before?
No.
So how you know about it?
I didn't know it was real. I was asking.
It's about a little boy who was left home alone by his parents on Christmas. And then some robbers came and tried to rob his house. You wanna watch that movie?
I'm scared.
You're scared of what? What would you do if some robbers came to rob your house?
Well, I was gonna get one arrow and then slap them.
Slap them? Well, this boy was very smart and he outsmarted all the robbers. You wanna watch that one?
Yeah, I wanna watch it after I'm done, because I almost at the end.
Alright, so when they're done, we're going to watch Home Alone. Hopefully them like it, because them not like nothing. So yeah. When I feel up on Netflix. So we're having popcorn tonight. Oh my goodness. So let's wait. Sneaky little boy. Yes. Green come, baby. Green come. Damn. You like it not pop properly though.
I think so too. Did it pop properly?
I don't understand. What is this?
Hey, it
It's like
didn't.
a quarter of the bag and it open, so I don't even know what to do.
It didn't pop.
It didn't pop properly.
They're supposed to be on this.
Exactly. Now we're gonna have to pour this out. Let's just pour this out and just try see if we can pop another one. I'm not sure why that happened though. They gave it 5 minutes. Stop it.
I tried.
Gave it 5 minutes. So what we're gonna do is separate it. And, I don't know, this so I'm gonna try another one. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is one is having cereal as usual. And Javi is having popcorn. Javi, why are you hiding the popcorn from me?
Hey, you and me, to viewers.
Me to the viewers?
You. You are mean to viewers.
He's a very kind boy, I think.
Well, he said it was without you just said to put back the ball and he wasn't not.
Oh, is that true, Javi?
Yeah. He's not telling.
Javi gone. Alright guys, let's see what we can find on the probably a Netflix movie. What do you think? Netflix?
Yeah, I want to watch Home Alone.
Home Alone? Alright, Javi, what say you?
I want to watch the Grinch.
Alright,
Last time Jamie just said that she's scared of that show, right?
you scared of the Grinch? It's okay.
You're scared that he will wrap you in a present. You're.
Wait, he's the robber! Why am I just not realizing that the robber was there from the get-go?
Where you going? You hear me or what?
And bonus is simply like throw off his phone.
Bonus? Throw up my property. Keep that shit.
Why are you laughing?
No, because they don't even remember that they left their son at home.
Now what?
Imagine if I left you at home alone.
No.
What would you do?
I would just press down the door.
I forgot
So I
to
didn't
sign.
want my knife. You left him, Mother, with your comfort.
He's just having fun in the house all by himself.
He don't even care.
He doesn't care. He's going to have the house all by himself. Guys, my allergies are
Why are you
acting up.
scared of the Grinch?
My allergies are acting up, so I had to take off my lashes. You realize that mommy lashes gone?
Yeah, you are so beautiful.
Oh, I'm so beautiful. You're juicy. Oh, thank you, Jamaican, for your kiss.
You're not ugly, you're just beautiful.
Beautiful. Beauty?
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you. My boy show me with love every single day, guys. It's great being a boy mom. I'm not gonna lie, right, boys? I think I wanted girls, but I'm so glad I got boys after all. My eyes are probably swollen.
What
So
do glowing means?
It's a bit puffy, like gets bigger and bigger, like fatter. Does it look fat?
No.
So I'm gonna ask the boys to close out the vlog for me. Boys, you wanna close out the vlog?
Oh, yeah.
Means you gotta tell them to like, share, and subscribe, and you'll see them in Vlogmas Day 4.
Like, share, and subscribe. I'm not going to work.
Don't punch the vlog man up. Stop punching. So tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and comment down.
Punching when we're at the end.
So tell them to come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4.
Yeah, come back tomorrow and vlog one play the 4th.
Bye.
Bye.